Alright, one last video. This is the main east service elevator. Now these are kind of cool. These are actual 3D sensors. I will try to demonstrate that. It'll close in a second. I'll try to demonstrate it if I can. Okay, there we go. I'm not crossing it. It's pretty nice. Go to 5. This does not actually serve the 3rd floor. There's somebody here. No, there's not anybody here. Okay, we'll go back to 1. There's actually blue buttons. I think there's a blue button on this floor. Let me see. Yeah, no, this one. This one doesn't have it. I think it's 4th floor that might have it. Anyways, and ground floor, but I'm not going to the ground floor. For a while, this indicator didn't work either. It's a recent fix. It doesn't usually make that sound either. Okay, there we go. And there's the cab view, same as the other one, but larger. And if you walk to it, you can hear the sensors click. And now this darn thing messes up a lot. It's in nudge mode. I gotta reset it. It'll close. But anyways, that's real 3D sensors, so pretty cool.